The world of AI can feel overwhelming when there are thousands of models available for your custom use cases, be it audio transcription, voice generation, text embeddings, or image recognition tasks. Our AI Playground is the place where you could try all these models for free and decide for yourself without having to pay for it first. Welcome to AI Playground by AI Demos, your one-stop solution to explore and compare the power of AI. AI Playground is a platform designed to help you explore, test, and compare top AI models from leading providers like OpenAI, Google, 11 Labs, and more, all in one place. It's built for developers, students, researchers, and anyone curious about AI. The best part? It's completely free to use. What do we offer? Text-to-speech, TTS. AI Playground's text-to-speech tool lets you test and compare models from leading AI providers like OpenAI, 11 Labs, AWS, and Google. You can experiment with different texts to see how each model handles punctuation, abbreviations, and figures of speech. It's a powerful way to evaluate pronunciation accuracy, speech clarity, and suitability for various use cases, all in one place, completely free.
Lena was working on a new audiobook project, but choosing the perfect AI voice felt overwhelming. Each model sounded slightly different. Some emphasized words naturally, while others struggled with complex punctuation.
Speech-to-text, STT. With the top AI providers like OpenAI, DeepGram, Assembly AI, and more, you can test how well each model handles different accents, background noise, and complex terminology. See which one accurately transcribes abbreviations, punctuations, and speaker variations, making it easier to choose the best model for your custom AI applications or personal use cases. Similarity Checker. For developers or researchers working on machine learning projects, our Similarity Checker lets you test embedding models side by side, easily determine which model is best for retrieval-augmented generation, recommendation systems, or even plagiarism detection. OCR, Optical Character Recognition. With the OCR tool, you can test and compare vision LLM models from leading AI providers. Whether it's printed text, handwriting, or complex layouts, you can see which model handles different fonts, languages, and image qualities best. Test accuracy on low-resolution scans, check how well tables and structured data are preserved, and find the most reliable option for your document digitization needs. Image description and caption generator. For caption generation, upload an image and see how different AI models generate captions. Compare their ability to create concise, relevant, and context-aware captions, helping you choose the best model for your needs. Test AI models for generating detailed descriptions of your images. See how each model interprets context, objects, and scenes to provide in-depth descriptions, making it easier to find the most accurate one for your use case. You don't need to be a tech expert to use AI Playground. It's as simple as uploading a file, entering a prompt, and getting results in seconds. AI Playground isn't just a tool directory. It's a hands-on platform where you can experiment with leading AI models in real time. Whether you're a student exploring AI, a developer fine-tuning models, or simply curious about AI's potential, this is your space to test, compare, and experience AI capabilities firsthand. Why wait? Dive into AI Playground by AI Demos today and unlock endless possibilities. Which AI tool blew your mind? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos. If you want to feature your AI tool, mail us at collaborate@aidemos.com.